Are you struggling to reach global audience with your videos? Do you wish there was a way to add subtitles, clone voices, or even remove watermarks all in one click? I introduce you to a game-changing tool that transforming how creators, marketers, and businesses communicate worldwide. Let's discover how it can transform your videos and your income. Welcome to Digital Tech City, where AI meets content creations with magic. In today's video, we will discuss this tool and how it can help you in your work and save your time, money, and energy. To make easy for you, I divide this video into 3 parts. The first part is that what is AddSubtitle.ai. Second part, we will discuss its features. Is that 5 earning methods I will discuss with you. So watch the video till the end. Let's come to the video. We will discuss its first part. What is AddSubtitle.ai? AddSubtitle.ai is the next generation AI-powered platform that automatically generates subtitles, translates your video into 75 plus languages, and even clone your voices with perfect lip synchronizations. These websites can help you to make automatic subtitles, instant language translations, voice cloning and dubbing, lip synchronization, accuracy, watermark and text removals, and direct YouTube link editing. Now in the second part, we are discussing its key features. Number 1, auto subtitling. Auto subtitle is an AI-powered tool designed to help you translate and subtitle your videos in one seamless workflow. One of its key features is auto subtitle generator. These features allow you to create subtitles for your videos in seconds. The generator ensures that the subtitles have perfect timing and formatting. Number 2, multi-language translations. AddSubtitle allows you to translate subtitles into 100 plus languages. A key aspect of this feature is its ability to preserve nuance during the translation process. This suggests that the tool aims to provide accurate and contextually appropriate translations across the wide range of languages. Number 3, voice cloning. AI captures your voice tone and emotions. There is no robotic voice in this website. Number 4, lip synchronization perfections. The purpose of the perfect lip synchronization feature is to ensure that dubbed voices match lip movement and expressions frame by frame. Number 5, watermark and text removal. AddSubtitles offer a feature to clean up videos for distraction-free professional results by removing unwanted subjects and text in your data. Number 6, edit directly from YouTube. YouTube URL editing. You can instantly edit subtitles and dubs by pasting video link from the YouTube, meaning that you didn't need to upload the file by itself. Now I will discuss the 5 earning methods by this website. Number 1, freelance subtitling services. You can offer these services on Fiverr and other services platform, so you can earn in dollars. Number 2, voiceover and dubbing projects. So you can offer these services on the same Fiverr account. Number 3, offer video localizations for agencies. You can offer your services on Instagram accounts and other social media platforms to earn money easily by this service. Number 4, sell subtitles and translated video packages. So you can sell this type of services on Instagram and the LinkedIn to paste your work on it one by one, and within a few time you will be famous and you can earn money by this skill. And the last one and the final part, you can also earn by the affiliate or referral program via Subtitle.ai. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos and AI tools.